record. Let's see if it goes for it. Rumble? Are you gonna jump on me?
What is he doing?
Suspense. Suspense is killing everyone. Rumble?
He won't do it when you want him to. That was a very lame jump. I don't think that was worth slow-mo.
Now he's like clawing my back. Ow. He only does it because he loves me. Ow.
Now he's biting.
This is better when I have a sweater. Okay, Rumble. Be nice. Be nice. Jeez. If I give him something to snuggle his face against, then he doesn't bite me. You're gonna have to get down if you keep doing that. Okay, that's good.
He can't get down there, there's a plant.